We always do the cheap door. That's how we do it. So the devs know that they need to patch it. I'm gonna go over here and look for a health. Oh, there's a health right here. I'm gonna use this health real quick.
Ready?
Give me a second. Let me get this bonus crap. Let's just go over the vault and go all the way on the long one. Follow me. Follow me. I'll show you. This is the way I think is, in my opinion, is the best. Okay. Stick over here. Watch this fucking chicken. Yeah, watch the fucking chicken. Go to this grass, because there's no grandpa. Go to this grass, and then cut behind into the grass on this side of this. Right?
Yeah, I got you.
Whoop. Oh,
We're good.
Here. Someone's here.
I'm gonna open the door then.
Get it. Just go open it. I'm gonna stun him. I got him in a grapple.
Can you stun him again after that?
Yeah, I'll just get behind and just get ready to stun him. Tell me you got it open, please.
Please, don't squeak.
Yeah.
I'm running to this door.
Do it. I'm gonna kind of loop him a bit.
I'm just going through the crack. I went inside and cracked, and now this door's gonna be open.
Do it. I'll just try and protect.
He's on me. I can hear him.
I'll body block.
We're good.
I may need you to
I
body
can block
block
now.
for me. Yeah, if you can. Just like one hit, maybe.
We did it, dude. We did the cheap
Let's
door.
go. Let's go. Cheap door tech. Cheap door tech.
I gotta find help.
Let's go, dude. Let's go, dude.
Shoot.